What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. This is yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. As you can see, the investing account sitting at $61,945.87. Excuse me. We're up on today of $725.04 or 1.18% today at the close of business. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, we had a great jobs report, and that just sent the market skyrocketing. My buying power is at $310.28. Crypto still the same as before. I still got my 1,023 shares of Doge. I still have my Ethereum and my Avalanche stocks and ETFs. We're going to cover some ETFs, guys, and some of the stocks that I'm going to hold on to long term. That's going to continue to help me build my portfolio and ultimately get me to the 7-figure, 8-figure goal of being a millionaire and financially free. The first investment I want to take a look at is the stock of Walmart. Walmart is sitting at $98.60 right now. As you can tell, earlier today, Walmart had a super huge push upward. It went up $1.65 earlier before tapering off around 10:40, 10:50. It tapered back down, but it never got back as low as it did when it first opened this morning. I got 113.35 shares of Walmart. Market value is $11,176.40. Average cost is $58.71. And right now I have a total return of $4,521.99. That's an increase of 67.95% increase on the dollar. Y'all, I've just been holding on to this particular stock long term. I'm going to continue to buy and hold. Walmart is such a dependable company. They're so big. The structure of it is like they're taking over. They got Sam's Clubs that competes with Costco's, and these Walmarts are doing their own to compete against Amazon. Now, I'm not saying they're knocking Amazon out the water, but what I'm saying is they're making their presence known and their thoughts and feelings felt. So this company, long term, looks really, really good. I'm going to continue to buy and invest in this company like I've been doing before. It's going to also help me to get the financial freedom. Next up, SPLG is my SPDR portfolio S&P 500, sitting at $66.73. Today has been just absolutely amazing. As you see, we're getting back to the levels that we were one time before in the S&P 500. I got 244.61 shares of SPLG. Market value is $16,322.75. Average cost $64.24. So we're finally back up overall in this position. $608.63, or a 3.87% increase. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. It's been a long day, and I just had to yawn. My apologies. Got to continue to buy and hold SPLG long term. This is a foundational ETF. Next up is FTEC. It's my Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF, sitting at $169.30. We're up in this position as well as the close of business of today. Market share, I got 21.63 shares of FTEC in this particular account. Market value is $3,663.42. Average cost is $168.82. So I'm up in the position $10.41 or 0.28%. Don't you worry, guys. I have a feeling FTC is going to continue rising as long as the market continues in the direction that it's going. Because we had such a positive, great earning and jobs report, that helped the market teleport to all new heights right now. It's not the highest of highs, but we're trying to get back to what we were back in February, around the 18th and the 19th when we had all-time highs. That's what we're trying to get back to. And these particular ETFs and stocks are helping our portfolio to stand up tall, stand up strong, and get back to the numbers that we used to have before all the tough terror talk. You already know who that came from. Another one I would like to look at is the iBit. It's the iShares Bitcoin ETF, sitting at $55.19. I got 64.44 shares of iBit. Market value $3,556.94. Average cost is $54.31. I'm up $56.94 in this position. 1.63% increase. Guys, tell me what you think about this ETF. iBit is kind of my way of continuing holding on to Bitcoin, but not directly Bitcoin. But I got an ETF for it. I got 64 shares. Or should I liquidate? Should I liquidate this particular stock or ETF? Look, we're over. My average cost is $54.31. It's at $55.19. So I've made a type of profit from it. Should I just take my ball and run, or should I just stay consistent, dollar cost averaging to this, and one day maybe the Bitcoins, the ETFs will take off? You guys let me know in the comments below. Everything else, y'all, has been green so far. Meta, $596. Oh, and then we have NVIDIA. I got at $114.22. NVIDIA had a great day today. I'm gonna tell you all. It looks like all semiconductors, Mag 7s, a lot of the big boy stocks, even value stocks and ETFs like SCHD. SCHD is the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, sitting at $26.08. That's even up today. I got 225.72 shares of SCHD. Market value is $5,886.71. Average cost is $26.35. Even though we're still down overall, $61, we had a major return today of $83 up. So we're getting, like I said, not as high as it once was, but definitely getting back to the levels that it used to be in our portfolio. So we're going to continue to buy and hold SCHD long term, of course. That's our big dividend king. We're going to continue to use that to get to where we got to go. Next is the traditional IRA, sitting at $42,653.93. We made over $1,000 today in this portfolio position. Like I said before, not as high as it usually, not as high as it's been, but it is not as low either. So we're not at the all-time highs just yet. Buying power is at $19.95.39. I want to show you this, guys. Where is it? My options. Your open option positions will appear here. Let me see. Boom. My options for NVIDIA has expired worthless. I got the whole premium of the $13 added to my account. And so there you have it, man. My options contract expired. I did my first, that was my introduction to selling cover calls. My first transaction was a success of selling cover calls, and I'm looking to implement this strategy now as a way to be collecting premiums on top of the stocks that I already have. I was able to keep my 100 shares of NVIDIA while collecting a premium for selling the contract. So you guys, I'm making this investing thing work for me. You guys have to make it work for you. As I was saying before, NVIDIA is at 114.22. It's made an incredible comeback and increase. There you see upcoming activity. NVIDIA cover call 145 it expired. I got over 150 shares in this position. Market value is $17,134.65. Average cost is $109.98. And we are up total return over $635, which is a 3.85% return on the investment. NVIDIA is a big boy in my portfolio. You guys, it's 42%. As a matter of fact, this one stock is like 42% of my portfolio. Very, very, very concentrated. Looking to diversify even more with this amount of money. I got a feeling that NVIDIA is going to continue to rise. I'm not exactly sure to which levels, but I wouldn't mind to see my total return over the $4,000 and $5,000 mark like it was before. So once I get it back up to that, guys, I'm not gonna joke. I'm not joking with you, man. I'm probably gonna take profits off of NVIDIA. I know a lot of you guys like, well, why would you do that? And da, 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 da. It's all good, man. I understand because, like I said before, I said this company was that high one time before while I was in it, and I didn't take advantage of it. But let it go that high again and watch what I do. I got to take advantage of it because right now I'm not really buying NVIDIA, just kind of holding my position. When it did go low, I couldn't help but in the investing count, I did do some dollar cost averaging into NVIDIA. But, right now over in this portfolio, the 150 shares, that's enough for me. I just kind of just let it sit for a while until I can, get more capital, and then we'll be able to do more in the portfolio. And that's where option trading comes in at. Okay, we got 14.10 shares of FTEC in this one, 61.12 shares of SPLG over here. This is the IRA account too, guys, so don't forget about that. MicroStrategy had a great day today, up to $396. That was a increase of over $12.79. Then in the aftermarkets, another $1.61. Just a killer day for MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy got 15 shares. Market value is $5,940. Average cost is $283.49. And I have a total return in this position of $1,687.65, or 39.69% increase. MicroStrategy busting them down is helping us get to financial freedom once and for all. I'm probably going to shave off that profit when the market opens back up and put that on the sideline to continue to use it to help grow and fund the SPLG, like the dividends and ETFs, the dividend paying ETFs. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry, guys. All right. Palantir Technologies is at 124.56. Incredible run today. As you see the chart, Palantir went up to the moon. Then it continued to rise even further than that. I got 26.79 shares in Palantir. Market value is $3,338.16. My average cost is $75.94. I was able to bring my average cost down to this number when Palantir and the rest of the market was at an extreme discount. So I was able to load up and get as much as I could. Total return, I'm up 13.02 and 87 cents in this position. That's 64.01% increase. Just like MicroStrategy, Palantir has provided a great total return. Probably gonna get the profits off of there, so I can go ahead and just do what I need to do with that and get it to where I need to go. So you guys, you see what I'm doing. I'm using high performance stocks like Palantir, MicroStrategy, and the Mag 7. And I'm using those, getting those profits, them juicy profits, and I'm putting it towards my ETFs that I'm holding for the long term, like SPLG, SCHD, FTEC. I'm trying to get those to continue paying out dividends and compounding them over time. And that way you come to the conclusion of things like this. We're at $104,600.03 over in the Fidelity. Over in the Fidelity investing account, we're sitting at like $13,100 something over there. So you guys, we're making strides, getting back to where we used to be before the market had its downturn and opposition took place in the market. So we're getting back to it, guys. Remember, any kind of comments, questions, concerns, drop them down below in the comment box below. Sorry to be bringing you guys the video so late, but at the same time, I want to stay committed to my commitment of bringing you the videos. I'm finna go get some rest because your boy has been working and he's tired. So you guys comment below. I'll check your comments out tomorrow or another day, and I'll get back to you. If any kind of questions, concerns, let me know how you feel. If you want to see me and get into a particular investment, let me know that as well. I'm going to continue using options trading. You guys been wanting to know about that, so I'm going to be teaching you guys what I've been doing. I just wanted to do it first so I can make sure I had it down pat before I started trying to explain exactly how to use it, what to do, and how to do. But we use it to continue to grow the portfolio so we